Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Voyage 2024. Today's topic is rolling shapes and sliding shapes. Let's begin with the story of a grandma, how a rolling object like barrel saved her life. Long time ago, a grandmother lived alone in a forest. She was very thin. You can see the way she is walking. There were many animals around who wanted to eat her. Tired of staying alone, she decided to visit her daughter. Now, to reach her daughter's house, it was a long way. She had to cross the forest. Along the way, there were many animals, and she told each animal she met that she would stay with her daughter, put on some flesh and wait, and then they could eat her. She stood in front of each animal and she told them that she would stay with her daughter, and it was getting darker and darker, so she started walking very fast and her daughter was waiting for her. Grandmother stayed with the daughter for a long time, and then when it was time for her to return home, she told her daughter to give her a barrel and she can escape from the animals because the barrel would roll on the road, and she said the road is slopey, and there the see here how the barrel is. On the way, the animals were chasing her, and then she had to speed up. Can you see how she is coming? The drum is moving fast, and then she comes out of it. So this way grandma reached home safely without any animals eating her, and then she goes inside the house. This way the rolling barrel saved grandma's life. Now what do you mean by rolling? When an object moves turning over and over, it is rolling. The barrel was moving, it was turning over and over, and that is called rolling. Now circular or round objects can roll. Now look here, there is a ball. Object with curved surfaces roll. Look at this ball, it is rolling. It is rolling, turning over and over again. Next is sliding. Now object with flat surfaces slide. Now look at this rectangular block. Look at it, how it is sliding. Now you can see here three examples of slides. So when an object moves along a flat surface smoothly, it is sliding. Now there are some objects which have both curved surface and flat surface. So they can both roll and slide. Now look at this tire. See, it is, if you keep it like this, it will roll. And if you keep it with this flat surface, it will slide. I'll take another example, a barrel. But this barrel is not uniform, so you can see the way it is rolling. Now see this barrel, the type of barrel grandma used. If you take its flat surface, see how it moves. See, it is sliding. Hope you have understood the difference between rolling and sliding and the objects that can both roll and slide. Then please answer the questions on rolling and sliding from the Mathematics Workbook written by me. The details of the book you can see in the description below. Answer pages 13 and 14 on rolling and sliding. Now let's conclude what you have learned so far. Rolling and sliding behavior of an object depend on its surface. Now what are the types of surfaces? Curved surface and flat surface. Curved surfaces can roll. Now look at the ball. And flat surfaces can slide. Object, now here it is sliding. Objects with both curved and flat surfaces can both roll and slide. So if you have understood, please don't forget as usual to give me a like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. I would be doing 2D shape hunt with tally marks. So please do join me again for the next part. Till then, goodbye and take care.